Hello everyone. I am going to present to you today my thesis topic, Educational Design Intervention on Climate Change. Do we think our tomorrow's children would be privileged enough to walk on sunny beaches or watch the beautiful snow-clad mountain? Increased interest in climate change education and growing recognition of the challenges faced in recent years has addressed these issues and creates an opportunity to know what measures can be taken and how design research can contribute to the idea about effective climate change education. The aim of the project is to develop pop-up book learning media and to know the effectiveness of its learning. The objective of the project is to communicate the cause, effect, and consequences of climate change for strengthening of educational knowledge for middle school age children, that is 11 years and above. The methodology of the research is based on research and development with AD model. Data were obtained by primary and secondary sources. Techniques of data collection were observation and feedbacks from teacher and student. These are the few things that I focused in literature and I have used in my project research outcome. Lack of time to address climate change topic in classroom suggested a need for using co-curricular and community initiatives for students. Effective climate change education should also focus on principles and concepts of Earth's climate, that is the science behind climate change. Climate change education helps students to develop critical analysis skills. Approach to climate change among students should also focus on personally relevant and meaningful information. Pop-up book media helps to improve cognitive skills. Based on the literature review, key insights and gaps were found. Lack of awareness and limited information. How children can contribute effectively. CBSE and NCERT book covers climate and weather topics but does not teach climate change as an individual chapter. Lack of interest and is considered a controversial issue. More focus is given on effects of global warming. After finding out the key insights and gaps, need analysis were made to communicate the cause, effect, and consequences of climate change. Teachers need to find new ways of teaching climate change, motivate children to save energy resource at their level, make children aware about the toxic waste of a product and its production consumption process. Coming up with the design consideration, the following design process was followed, that is brainstorming, idea generation, narrative writing, storyboard, character design, material and media exploration, visual language. Under media and material exploration, craft paper sheets were used as they are 100% sustainable. By using craft paper and to increase its GSM, newspaper layering was done. Primary color palette was used. I also explored paper thread embroidery with 250 GSM craft paper sheets. The outcome of the research was an educational informative book on climate change. The book name, Think, You Still Have a Choice. The target audience is 11 years and above. Size of the book is 10 by 10 inches. The book is fully handcrafted and sustainable book. It includes chapters of what is climate and what is weather and how they are different. The book addresses three broad concerns. The first two sessions are filled with educational material and informative pop-up mechanics that help learners address the question what climate change is and what its impacts are. The last session introduced readers to mitigate climate change as well as some practical ideas for what can be done at an individual and a community level. The book is also based on design for sustainability of climate change concept for classroom learning. It includes chapters like what keeps Earth warm and why is carbon important. What is heating up of Earth so fast? What would happen and what can you do to help? At the last, it concludes by saying, think before you buy or consume, think before you write, think before you dispose of. The user testing of the concept focused primarily on the written content understanding and the user interaction with the physical book. The main points covered in testing included comprehensibility of the content, word difficulty, content length, and the likelihood of the reading. In the first phase trial, it was conducted with 3 students, which was an experimental process which was conducted by observing and taking feedbacks from the student. The media of pop-up book still has shortcoming that needs to improvement in the parts. At the first meeting, student did not understand how to use pop-up, so that it must be explained each step before. Students are enthusiastic to view each picture and try to tell about the image displayed on pop-up book media. It encourages their curiosity by making them feel at ease to ask questions and discuss. The design outcome on using sustainable material encouraged students to ask questions like how I have made it, and they were more curious in learning about climate change. It was more fun learning and easy to remember. Therefore, the developed pop-up could be accepted as an alternative medium in the learning process. Teachers were interested in using the pop-up book because it could create a fun learning environment, improve the motivation and understanding of the concepts for the learners.